Good morning. We are here in Pasadena. We are starting with our drainage system installation. As you can see, when it's raining, the water is standing right there, and then it's saturating the ground, and then it's penetrating and intruding into the basement down below. So we're creating a drainage system right here parallel to the house perimeter. The owner complained that they have some moisture issues, so this drainage system is running parallel to the house. It's about 2 feet wide by 2 feet deep. It's gonna head over there to the drainage pit. It's a quick video of the drainage pit that we created. It's 4 by 4 by 4. Okay, this is the end result. Here in Pasadena, we installed a drainage system. You can see we have 4 underground pipes. We connected as well as solid pipe. Those drains, they will be cut later on, just like this one in front. Look how pretty it came out. Everything is heading right there to a drainage pit. This is our end result, looking amazing.